So now that I just went through all the ways to make it efficient and successful, I just wanted to show a little demo on the field service mobile device. This is one that I put together, so I will push play here. And we'll take a look. What you're currently looking at right now on the right-hand side is the mobile device. You see it has a schedule for a resource or a frontline worker. The frontline worker is going to choose which one to work in, which would be 142. The frontline worker says, all right, I'm ready to move to that site. I want to change this to traveling. So now the frontline worker is traveling. Now the frontline worker says, oh, I need to find out where the customer is located at. They go to the tab. You can see that has all the customer information. It has the address. It has a map to show. And then if they want to get directions, they'll click on directions and it'll take them to their device map where they can actually get directions from there, and it'll drive them, show them the route. Now that the worker knows how to get there, they drive, they get to the site, they change their work order, their booking into progress. So now they're working on the equipment. They click on that first task, and that is a checklist that they have to complete for this PM. They go through the checklist, they answer all the questions, and these are configurable for whatever activity you need to do. They mark it completed. The next item are the products. This shows that they need to use these products while they're on site. This is just saying that they don't have any in their warehouse. But we'll use one. They found one that wasn't in the system. Next item is a service. This is just stating any services they provide. You can collect the data on that, show what your duration was on that procedure. As you notice, the clicking as we go through here, it's fairly easy. There's lots of information. These linked articles here, this is what I was talking about earlier, just giving more articles on how to work on the piece of equipment. And then it's just more information on the actual work order itself. And then it has notes. And then they can take real-time notes while they're on site. You can add a note here. Once these notes go in, they go show up on the actual work order that they're working on. They can take pictures. Second here, you'll see picture. There we go. Take a real-time picture, show the work, or take a picture of the failure or item they're working on. If they have questions, they can take a picture, add it to the work order and send it for questions. You could take audio notes. And you can add attachments as well. So as you see, there's ways to make the job easier for the tech. And that's the main thing. Once you make it easier for the tech, it becomes more efficient, makes it more successful. Within in the long run, makes your field service department more successful. Oops. So conclusion, is your company ready to explore enhancing your mobile workforce's efficiency and success? Give us a call.
Awesome. Thanks, Dave.
Welcome.
With that, we'll open the floor to any questions. And I do see one coming in here. So, Dave, this is for you. From your experience, what do you find the hardest thing for end users to transition to mobile?
It's usually the adoption, especially as I mentioned during the presentation. It's the older the older techs that have been around for a while and they're very familiar with the current procedures. Just trying to get them to adapt to the new procedure of using a mobile device. Some of them feel comfortable carrying around their giants manuals, and it's just hard to get them to transition. But once you show them the ease of use and you show them how they'll benefit from it, and make their jobs easier, they usually come around.
Awesome. Well, it doesn't look like there are any other questions in the chat. So thanks again, everyone, for joining us. And Dave, thanks for all of the great information. Just a quick reminder that we'll be sending out the webinar on demand so you can watch it back if you need to see something again. Or like Dave mentioned, if you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll be connecting with you soon. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.